Okay. Good afternoon. My name is Amelia Septini Simanungkalit, and today I will present a presentation about salmon for children's health and intelligence. My student number is 06 011 2818 23. Second slide, please. Okay. Uh, if we are parents, then we definitely want our children to grow up healthy and smart. But no, even when we are not parents, we still want any child to grow up healthy, happy, and smart. But how to make it as what we want it to be? Of course, food is one of the most important things that can support this. Not only courses or school, but foods also the biggest factor for children to be smart. There are so many supplements and vitamins people sell for the sake of children's nutrition and intelligence. But actually, not every supplement and vitamins like that. Maybe those will make the antibody of the person is stronger, but for intelligence, not all vitamins and supplements like that. And again, sometimes there are some people who only want to get the benefits, so they sell bad quality of supplements and fake vitamins. But children can eat salmon because salmon gives so many benefits for healthy and intelligence. Next slide, please. Okay. So salmon contains omega-3, vitamin D, B12, and etc. They are good for health and especially for the intelligence of a human. Next slide, please. Omega-3 is good. Omega-3 is good for the brain work. It will develop the cognitive function of brain. As we grow older, the capability of our brain work will decrease, but the omega-3 that salmon contains can make the cognitive function of our brain will increase. The vitamin D and B12 in the salmon can build stronger stronger antibodies. So it will make the body stronger and can prevent the person from cancer. So I guess that's all my presentation. Yeah, so I will move to question and answer session for those of you who have question. You can turn on your mic and say your name.
Davina, please.
Yeah, please.
Okay, Davina, you can ask question.
Okay, Amel, thank you for the chance. So my question is, what should the parents do if the children don't want to eat salmon? Thank you.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Davina. So I will answer it directly. So yeah, some children are actually the they do not want to eat fish. So the how the parents will how what should parents do in this case? So actually, parents can, if they are, there's some creativity in cooking. So the parents can make some, if we say it, bento or some, the rice with uh, vegetables and sausage, something like that. So parents can make it look interesting to for the children, can so they have some interest to eat it. So I guess it's actually based on the parents for. I mean, they can do some creativity in their cooking, so they can make some bento for their children, so the children will will have some interest in eat their fish. So I guess yeah, that's the way of the parents if they if their children do not want to eat fish, something like that. Okay, that's my answer. Did I answer your question, Davina?
Yes, Amel, you did. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Davina. Other questions?
Dia, please.
Okay, Dia, you can ask question.
Okay, thank you, Amel. Can you mention other food that the children can eat in which can make them health and increase their intelligence?
Okay, okay. Thank you, Dia, for your question. So the food that can help the children to the for their health and their intelligence. So basically, there are so many foods that we can give to the children so they will health and their for their health and intelligence. Like what's the I forgot the name, but actually uh, okay I forgot the name, but actually you can start to give the children some food that maybe can fulfill the nutrition they need. So basically, like salmon can reach for their health and intelligence, but maybe other foods like maybe you can combine like um, chicken for um, their nutrition and other maybe vegetables for their nutrition or and some fish for their protein. So those foods maybe didn't you know fulfill the all of all aspects that we need, but we can combine it with other food that can help the children to develop their intelligence or to make their immune stronger. Yeah, I guess that's my answer. Did I answer your question? Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Amel.
Okay. Last question.
Aisyah.
Okay, Aisyah.
So I want to ask, what do you think about the weaknesses of the salmon?
Ah, the weakness. Okay. Okay, thank you, Aisha, for your question. Actually, for I personally don't think the salmon has maybe weakness or maybe because, for internally internal factor. I don't think salmon have weakness, but the other the other thing come from the external factor. So salmon is actually quite expensive for people to buy it. So not every people can buy salmon for their children. So I guess this one of one of the factors that makes people um cannot buy salmon for their children. So they choose another way, like buying both supplements or vitamins that maybe more, you know, they can buy it, they can pay for it. So yeah, so because it's quite bit expensive, and for some people, that do something for their own benefit, they some people sell the unfresh fish. So it it quite, and the food that unfresh is not good for people to consume it. So I guess that's the factors, the weakness factors, or that make people didn't buy this salmon for their children. Yeah, I guess that's my answer. Did I answer your question, Aisha?
Yes, Amel, thank you.
Okay, okay, so I think that's all for my presentation. I'm sorry for every trouble and miscommunication. Thank you for your attention and good afternoon.